Welcome to HomePan TriPro, and today we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises a healthier, more comfortable cooking experience. We're talking about the GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Set. This isn't just another collection of pans, it's a curated set designed with both performance and your well-being in mind. So, let's break down what makes this set tick, and whether it's the right fit for your kitchen. Right out of the box, you're greeted with 4 essential pieces. We have a 7-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, perfect for everything from a quick breakfast scramble to searing a piece of fish for dinner. Complementing these are a 1-quart and a 2-quart saucepan, complete with lids, ideal for simmering sauces, boiling pasta, or making a hearty soup. This is a practical collection, covering a good range of everyday cooking needs without overwhelming your storage space. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the healthy ceramic non-stick coating. GreenLife emphasizes that this coating is derived from sand. This is a significant selling point for many consumers looking for alternatives to traditional chemical-laden non-stick surfaces. The claim is an effortless release of food and a quick cleanup, which is something we all aspire to in the kitchen. They also highlight that this process creates 60% less CO2 emissions during curing compared to conventional coatings. That's a win for both your health and the environment. Speaking of health, the toxin-free aspect is a major draw. The coating is advertised as being free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. These are chemicals that have raised concerns in recent years, and knowing that your cookware is free from them provides genuine peace of mind. It means you can focus on creating delicious meals without worrying about potentially harmful substances leaching into your food. Beyond the non-stick surface, the construction of these pans is noteworthy. The warp-resistant feature, with reinforced rims, suggests durability. Pans that warp quickly can become frustratingly uneven in their heating, and this design aims to prevent that, promising longevity for your investment. Cleaning is often a dreaded part of cooking, but this set is designed to make it a breeze. They are explicitly dishwasher safe, which is always a convenient option. However, the description also says, most messes wipe away, implying that often, a quick rinse and wipe might be all you need, saving water and effort. A detail that often gets overlooked but significantly impacts the cooking experience is the handles. These Stay Cool handles are made of Bakelite and are designed to remain cool on the stovetop. This is crucial for comfort and safety, especially when you're maneuvering pans or reaching for them frequently. The soft grip aspect also suggests a comfortable, ergonomic feel in your hand. The wobble-free bases are another functional improvement. A stable base ensures even heat distribution across the entire cooking surface, which is vital for consistent results. No more hot spots in the middle and cooler edges. This reinforced base adds to the overall sturdiness and reliability of the pans. The snag-free interiors are a clever touch. Rivetless interiors mean there are no nooks and crannies where food particles can get stuck and become difficult to clean. This not only simplifies the washing process but also contributes to a more hygienic cooking surface. When it comes to performance, the set is versatile. It delivers on all stovetops, with the exception of induction. This is an important point to note for those with an induction cooktop. However, they are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven or keep them warm. A final commendable feature is that the cookware vessels themselves are made from a minimum of 65% recycled aluminum. This commitment to using recycled materials is a responsible choice that appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the healthy ceramic non-stick coating free from harmful chemicals is a significant advantage. The inclusion of essential sizes, the comfortable Stay Cool handles, and the ease of cleaning, including being dishwasher safe, are all excellent points. The warp-resistant design and wobble-free bases suggest durability and reliable performance. The use of recycled aluminum is also a strong positive. However, there are a couple of considerations. The fact that it's not compatible with induction stovetops will be a deal-breaker for some. Also, While the oven-safe temperature is decent, it's not suitable for very high-heat oven searing or baking applications. The softness of the grip handles, while comfortable, might also be a personal preference. In conclusion, the GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Set offers a compelling package for home cooks prioritizing health and ease of use. The commitment to toxin-free materials and environmental responsibility is commendable. It's a practical set for everyday cooking, providing good performance and easy cleanup. If you're not cooking on an induction stovetop and don't require extremely high oven temperatures, this set is definitely worth considering for a healthier and more enjoyable kitchen experience. Link in the description.